Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. In previous video, we have seen the basic concept of marketing information system. That is, whatever the information is required for taking marketing related decisions, providing that information through a secured and trustable sources. Here, the marketing information system consists of people, equipment, and procedure to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute needed, timely, and accurate information to the decision makers. Here, the marketing manager makes various decisions at various points of time, and these decisions are to be taken at a accurate time with the perfect available data. And this data is very much essential for each and every company, because without the information we cannot take any decision. We need to be updated with what is the recent trend in the market, what are the recent research in the market, what are the tastes of the customers, what our competitors are doing, their plans and other things. So for that purpose we require information every now and then in the marketing field. So this information, or the process of gathering, storing, and supplying the information whenever required at a perfect time, this process is known as marketing information system. Marketing decision makers use this available data or information to identify and solve the marketing related problems at various stages in the organization, and this information is provided through the marketing information system. Let's move ahead. MIS, that is Marketing Information System, is defined by American Marketing Association. What does this American Marketing Association tells about MIS, that is Marketing Information System? Is MIS is a set of procedure and method for the regular planned collection, analyze, presentation of information for use in marketing decisions. As we have discussed that it is a regular process. It is not a one-day process. It is a regular process. It is a continuous process, and this process is to be made with a perfect plan, and with that plan the collection of data is to be done. Whatsoever the data is collected, it need to be analyzed, it need to be understood, and after understanding that data, it need to be presented or supplied to the decision makers in making decisions. So with the help of MIS, that is Marketing Information System, the decision making becomes very helpful or easier to take at appropriate time. The another definition I would like to discuss with you all is, according to Philip Kotler, a marketing information system consists of people, equipment, procedure to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute needed, timely, and accurate information to marketing decision makers. The previous meaning what we studied, this first one, this is the definition given by Philip Kotler. Here Philip Kotler is trying to tell that marketing information system, it is consists of people, because people are involved in each and every step, each and every situation. Equipments are required to store the data, analyze the data, and it is a procedure to gather that data. After gathering, sort the data. Sorting is also very much essential, because which data is required, which information is essential, which is not essential. We need to classify it, sort it, then analyze. Analyzing means understanding the data what we have, and how this data will be helpful for us, that we need to analyze. Evaluate whether it is trustworthy, whether any changes are there, whether the information what we have got is appropriate, worth trusting or no, that we need to evaluate, and then distribute as and when needed at various levels and various decision makers in the marketing process. And this process should be accurate, and the information should be accurate to make decisions. So these are the two definitions given by the various authors. First definition we saw is of Philip Kotler, and the second definition what we saw is of American Marketing Association. Now, a marketing information system is developed for internal reporting system. What is this internal reporting system? Whenever the product planning, product design, product pricing, or whatever the process related to marketing is being done, at that point of time, the research team, that is marketing research team, finds the new information, analyze, brings out the new recent trends which are available, and these trends are to be discussed, analyzed, sorted, and then implemented in decision making. So this overall process is concerned with marketing information system. This marketing information system has certain set of components. What are the components of marketing information system? They are basically the major components of marketing information system is the environmental factors monitored by the system and the types of marketing decisions which the marketing information system to support the process. First, the marketing environment is the most important component of marketing information system. This marketing information has the basic or first and foremost component of marketing information system is marketing environment. This marketing environment consists of markets, then channels, competitors, political environment, legal environment, economical environment, and technological factors. So the marketing environment consists of all these things, that is markets, then whether it is a local, international, perishable market, whatsoever the market it may be. Then the legal environment, whatever the legal trends have been changing, new laws have been brought in. The recent farm bill is also an example for that, which is changing. Accordingly, the new legal aspects whichever are coming. Then economic environment, what is the economic scenario in the country. Now if we see, because of COVID crisis, the economic scenario is completely different compared to the previous years. So this need to be researched, found out, and this information is to be considered while making the decision. Then the technological factors. Every now and then new technology is being brought in. There are n number of apps coming up, n number of machines being invented. So these new inventions, new technology is changing every now and then, and this information need to be supplied to the decision makers at an appropriate time. After that, we have the components like internal reporting system, marketing research system, marketing intelligence system, and marketing models. These are the components of internal things which we need to consider while having our marketing information system. Then the various types of decisions what we make, even those decisions influence the data what we are collecting or what we are gathering. The decisions may be strategic decisions, control decisions, and operational decisions. If it is a strategic decision, the information related to strategies, competitor strategies, present scenario, everything need to be supplied to take decisions. Secondly, if it is a control decision, whatever we want to control, whatever factors we are trying to control, all those information need to be supplied at an appropriate time. And lastly, operational decisions. For operating and operational areas, the proper and systematic information is essential. So these informations are gathered, collected, analyzed, sorted, and supplied as per the need at appropriate time by marketing information system. So this is the basic concept of marketing information system. A 2 marks question may come, what do you mean by marketing information system, or define marketing information system. At that point you all can write any of these two meanings or definitions. These 3 points are there. Out of these 3 points, any point you all can write for 2 marks. With this, we shall stop in today's class. In next class, we shall start going in depth with the concepts of marketing, information system, and marketing management. Till then, good day. Thank you. Good day.